Hey everyone, today we are creating a React form where the submit button stays disabled until all fields are valid. So what's our main problem is? So the requirement are name should not be empty, email must contain @ submit button should remain disabled until validation passes. So for that what will be our approach? We will use React state to store form values, validates input dynamically. Using conditional logic, the button becomes unable only when all validations are true. So let's quickly go to our setup. We will open the React in a terminal. Okay. Now we will do npx create React app and the folder name is disable submit app. Let's enter. Okay, it will took some time because you can see packages are installing and also dependencies and also React DOM, React script and CRA templates are installing. Okay, after the installation, what we will do? We will do cd and go into our folder. Then we will run a program. There we will find src folder. In that there is app.js file. We will delete the default code and write our own code for our problem statement. Like submit button will disable. Okay, packages are installed already. Sorry, it's installed. Now we will do cd disable button app. Okay, we are in the folder. Now in the file disable not disable button. cd.dot. It's disable submit app. Okay, here disable submit app. Here we will find src. In this app.js we will remove the default code and here we will write our own code. So first we will import React obviously and also use state to store value data use state. Now we will make a function app const setName equals to use state. Set email use state. Okay, now a new const is form valid. We have to check this also. Okay, for this we will use trim to check empty name and includes for validate email. So name dot trim is not equals to space and email dot includes what at the sign. Now const handle submit handle submit. e dot prevent default. Okay, now we will do console.log. Here name, email. Okay, and disable property control button state. And now we will do our CSS and part, so form become interactive and dynamically. So what will be written? We will return a div. Let's give it some style CSS. Text align, let's say center, and margin top will be 50 px. Let's load this. Now in this we'll make a heading tag h1, disable submit until valid. Okay, now we'll make a form when on submit and submit. In this we will give an input which type is text, placeholder will be enter, name, and value will be name. And on change, when click on this on change, let the set name be p dot target dot value. That is also a style CSS. So padding with a padding of 10 px, width of 250 px, and margin of 10 px. We will copy this thing. Will help us later. Now we will break to br to break the line. Now we'll make another input which type is email, placeholder will be enter email, and value will be email. And on change it should react like that email. Okay, no problem. The CSS part. CSS part would be the same. Now again we'll put br. In the next line we'll make a button. Okay, button which type is submit, disable if not is from valid. I'm talking about the style. Let's give it padding 10 px and 20 px. Margin top npx, and cursor is formatted pointer not allowed, and the name of the button will be submit. Now we'll export this in the end. Export default data. Right. So our code is done. Let's click ctrls and we will run this. And start as you can see. As you can see, through enter email. If there is no edit, button is disabled. As you can see, button is disabled. But when we write our name, group, and our email, it shows submit. When you click on submit and right click and inspect, in console we can see our object, see name Dhruv and our email. So I hope you understand this. If you understand this, like, share, subscribe, comment, follow for more questions like this. I hope you understand. See you in the next video. Bye.